CSRF token missing on Instagram app. Hello guys, so the first thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, and then now right here on this page you have to scroll until you find the Instagram app. When you find it, you have to click on it like this. Now all what you want to do is click on this option here in the top and then go to the storage, click on this clear cache option and then go back, click on the power usage details and make sure to enable the power consumption alert like this. Now the last thing you want to do is go back to the settings on your phone, open the wireless and networks, go to the Wi-Fi, disable it and enable it back, and then when you enable the Wi-Fi, you have to open the Play Store, search for Instagram and update it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.